special jazakallah again to all our brothers and sisters and supporters of Alhikmat. You know, when I read this verse, and the verse tells you, it's all about Quran, it's all about hikmah, وَيُعَلِّمُهُ kitab wal hikmah, teaching people the knowledge of the Quran and the hikmah. That's what we're all about, spreading the message of the Quran, 100,000 Quran every year. Alhikmat, that's what we do. All about hikmah and Quran. Those of you who have supported it, I know we're having a dinner in a few weeks, and we have had a lot of very supportive brothers and sisters who have been there, supporting and donating towards making it a success, because things were shut down for 2 years. Allah bless all of you and your support and your generosity. It is indeed a blessing, and we have to say Jazakallah. Remember, Allah says in the Quran, whenever you give something or you spend, Allah has promised that He will give you back. There's a verse in the Quran, Surah 34, Surah Sabah, chapter 34, verse 39. Allah says, وَمَا أَنفَقْتُم مِّن شَيْءٍ فَهُوَ يُخْلِفُ. Allah promises us that as long as you spend something from your brain, your knowledge, yourself, your skill, your wealth, Allah says that anything that you spend, Allah says, فَهُوَ يُخْلِفُهُ. He will give you back. So you might think, oh, I went and spent this in Quran and dawah, Alhikmat, Darul Uloom, this. Oh, I lost something. Allah says, no. Go check chapter 34, verse 39. Allah says, I will give you back. Don't you know that people who spend in the path of Allah, they become richer? The more you give is the more Allah gives you. The more you give of your knowledge, the more Allah gives you of your knowledge. The more your wisdom, the more your help, your khidmat, humanitarian, whether in yourself, your time, Allah has promised He will give back. So I just wanted to